permafrost thawing and methane release. This is the today's topic of discussion. You know what is permafrost? Permafrost refers to frozen soil, frozen sediment or frozen rock kept inside the ground at least for consecutive 2 years. Okay, so this is called permafrost, and due to global warming, there is a melting or the thawing of permafrost in polar regions. Means actually permafrost, this is found in polar regions, especially in Arctic areas. Okay, again in high altitude mountainous areas, permafrosts are found, and it contains a vast amount of organic carbon especially in the form of methane. So since global warming is going means there is a rise of temperature. You know this thing. There is a rise of temperature due to global warming, and due to this rise in temperature, there is thawing of permafrost taking place in polar regions, and due to this, we are getting a dangerous feedback loop. How we are getting a positive feedback loop or the dangerous feedback loop? Because when the temperature rises, there is a thawing of permafrost. And since thawing is taking place, therefore there is a release of methane into the atmosphere. So we know that methane, this is 25 times more effective at trapping heat as compared to carbon dioxide for a period of 100 years. And it is more effective if you consider shorter time scales, means shorter than 100 years. Okay, then it becomes more effective. So since methane is 25 times more effective at trapping heat, so you can easily guess how much temperature may rise due to global warming. Means due to release of methane, global warming is accelerated. Okay, so this release of methane, it has so many implications. Here I have noted down only 4. Accelerated global warming, I have already discussed accelerated global warming. Methane is releasing into the atmosphere due to thawing of permafrost. So more heat is trapped, global warming is taking place due to the presence of methane in the atmosphere. And since temperature rises, then that rise in temperature accelerates the thawing process, thawing of permafrost. So we can say that there is accelerated global warming due to permafrost thawing. Next is infrastructure damage. Yes, many communities are there who means many people are there living in those areas, Arctic regions. Okay, and there is a damage of infrastructure because the ground becomes unstable. When methane is released from the ground, then the ground becomes unstable. So there is a damage of roads, buildings, pipelines, etc. Okay. And the next point is ecosystem disruption. Yes, biodiversity. Okay, natural habitats of those places, they are getting, they are entrapped in problems. Okay, due to this rise in temperature due to permafrost thawing. So there is a disruption to the ecosystem. And the last one is the release of stored carbon. it has been estimated that almost 1500 billion tons of carbon is present in the polar regions as permafrost. If a significant portion of this carbon is released into the atmosphere as methane gas, then what will happen, you can easily guess. Okay, already almost half of that amount methane is present in the atmosphere. Okay, half of that amount means half multiplied by 1500 billion tons of methane. Anyway, so this was all about permafrost thawing and methane release into the atmosphere. And so what is required? Requirement is to address this issue as soon as possible internationally. Okay. So we have to somehow prevent global warming. To prevent permafrost thawing, rising sea levels are also seen due to this thawing process. So many problems are there. There is a huge change in climate due to this permafrost thawing. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.